Looking for an amazing two-story floor plan with the primary bedroom downstairs here in West Summerlin? Well, don't go anywhere because in this video, we are going to be covering the Peter floor plan, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is July 16, 2025, and we are here at Mockingbird by Lennar here in the beautiful master plan community of Summerlin. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here 25 minutes west of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, Summerlin is one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. Now, the reason why people love Summerlin is because you have great schools in this area. You're close to walking trails, you're by downtown Summerlin, so great places to shop, great restaurants as well. You're also close to Red Rock Resort as well as the canyon, so if you like hiking, definitely a great place to be. So they offer 3 different floor plans, and I will have that on the screen for you. So they have the Bobby, Peter, and Greg. Now these are all 2-story floor plans, ranging from about 3,000 square feet all the way up to 3,335 square feet. Okay, base prices are going to range from about $895, $990 all the way to $922, $990, but out the door you're looking closer to about $950 to $1 million out the door. Okay, now with the way the Lennar works is they build spec homes here, so that just means they start production, they choose all the options, so by the time you get into contract you're about a month, 2 or 3 months away from completion. Now, if you're looking for the best deal, I would definitely recommend going with a move-in ready home. That means the house is 100% ready. For sure, you guys will get the best deal. Okay, now with the community itself, it has just under 80 homes here. 10 of them have been sold. As far as the HOA goes, $87 a month. It is gated. The master plan fee is $60 a month, and the SID assessment is $864 a year. Okay, now I will post a video on the screen for you right now. I did a short video that kind of explained what a SID is, so you could definitely check that out. One other thing is this community does include internet in the HOA, which is really nice. But yeah, that's all I got for you. So let's get started with the story. Okay, so welcome to the Peter floor plan. Now the Peter floor plan is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3,210 square feet. And the base price is $912,990. As of today, they do have a move-in ready home that includes all the upgrades listed at $986. Okay. And just so you know, prices are subject to change. Usually the more time passes, prices tend to get a little bit higher, but it really just depends. Okay, but yeah, the front, what you're looking at, the paver driveway, that's going to be included. The front desert landscaping is included. The only landscaping that won't be included will be in the backyard. So once you move in, the HOA gives you about 6 months to landscape your backyard. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. So you have this beautiful little entryway here. You're gonna have an 8-foot door. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first and the second floor. Also, the foyer is nice here. So look, as soon as you walk in, immediately you can see the high ceilings. Okay, so I know that's important to a lot of buyers. Some buyers don't care. Some buyers need that high entryway ceiling. Okay, so let's take a look. Nice wide hallway right here. So to the left, you're gonna have your door to your garage. Here, I'll show you. I think the garage is locked. Yes, it is locked. Yeah, I'll show you guys the So we have some storage space right over here. Okay. Love that the builders always will try to find ways to utilize the space underneath the stairs. Now you're gonna have your powder room here. I think it's in a great location just because it's it's away from the kitchen, it's away from the living room. This is what you could expect. I'm pretty sure with all the spec homes, they're gonna put this same type of countertop in the bathrooms. And then the sink, you could expect that, the Moen faucets, the undermount sinks. With spec homes, the options will be different, right? So the cabinet, the flooring will be different as well. So you have this nice little wall texture right here. It's flat corner edging, as you can see. Okay, I would say the baseboards are about, looks like about 3.5-inch baseboards, I would say. So welcome to your kitchen. You have plenty of cabinets. As you can see, you got your dining room, your living room, nice slider back there. You're gonna have these 2 windows to the sides. But yeah, usually when you have when you're looking for a house with a primary bedroom downstairs, you're gonna notice that the first floor won't feel as open as other floor plans that don't have the primary bedroom downstairs, because the primary bedroom, it's pretty large, right? So I mean, it's gonna take up like a good chunk of the first floor, as well as like next gen suites too. So that's why sometimes you'll go to different floor plans and you'll say, oh, it feels a lot more spacious in here, even though the square footage is smaller. Yeah, especially you'll feel that way if it doesn't have like a bedroom downstairs, for sure. Okay, so this is nice. Looks like we got the monogram appliance package. We even have this nice refrigerator. Oh, check that out. Got the monogram dishwasher as well. Okay, plays a little music there. Got the stainless steel undermount sink, Moen faucet. Okay, you're gonna have the garbage disposal down there. Okay, all these interior doors, you're gonna have the 6-panel doors, which is nice, looks modern. Okay, so pretty decent sized pantry. Not a walk-in pantry, but definitely have some space. Okay, waterfall island, nice upgrade, quartz countertop. And we've got all these cabinets right here. And then as well, I think you have you also have cabinets down here as well. So you can see. Okay. Nice large slider. Now I believe these models are on oversized lots. So whenever you're looking at this backyard, I wouldn't expect this size in the spec homes. But if you are curious to know, just reach out to me. I could definitely tell you what the what available lots are, and as far as like how large the lots are. Now, this covered patio, that is included as well. Okay, so you got the thermostat right here. It's going to control the temperature downstairs. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, that's a king size bed. You have some room over there. So you have 3 windows in a primary bedroom. Okay, so you got a smoke/CO2 detector. That's for your fire sprinkler. So this is the primary bath. So you're gonna have your toilet room. And then your walk-in closet. Okay. It's a good decent sized walk-in closet. I've seen larger. Space for your linens right here. And then you have your walk-in shower as well as your separate tub. Okay, dual sinks. But yeah, everything that you're seeing here as far as the bathroom configuration, that's what you can expect. There's no customizing the bathroom. Like, you know, for example, if you wanted the large walk-in shower, spa walk-in shower, like what you see here, that's how you can expect it. They don't do any modifications to Lennar homes. Now, the only thing that you may have an option to do is if you wanted to pick out your flooring or your cabinets, well, I would say like flooring, cabinets, countertop, you would just have to pick a lot that is I would guess maybe like four months away from completion, 5 months, so that way they have time to accommodate your request. But at the same time, if you go that route, you probably won't get the best deal in the Lennar home, because the best deals are always with the move-in ready homes. But you know, whatever is important to you, because I know for a lot of buyers too, they definitely want to pick out their options. Some buyers don't care too much, they just want the best deal. So welcome to the second floor. This is a really spacious loft right here. I like that. As soon as you walk in, it just feels very open. And then you have like the 9-foot ceilings. This is a wide hallway as well. Sometimes it's hard to see on video. So you have your laundry room. Okay. Now, as you can see, washer and dryer does say optional, but I mean, if you are interested in one of these homes, I'm pretty sure we could throw that in there for you guys. Smart panel box. Okay, so this is where you would connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so it's right here. It's 1 bedroom. Okay, cool. So it has its own full bath. Okay, so it's your own walk-in closet. Now, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Again, just don't go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you provide that to them, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. And at that point, it's going to be hard to get you some representation. Now, the big problem is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So there's a difference in fiduciary relationship. Okay, so always make sure you get representation. All right, so here's your full bath here. Okay. But yeah, there's also going to be the door right here. So it's connected to this bedroom, but it's also accessible to for any of the guests to use here. Okay. So place for your linens. Okay, up here too, we do have your attic access. Okay. So nice spacious rooms, actually. I mean, this is a full-size bed. Okay, this is gonna have a Jack and Jill bath. Sorry, I'm carrying around my flask with me. It's hot out there. Okay, so you'll have 2 sinks. Yeah, most likely you will have this this tile in the upstairs bathrooms. Okay, so you'll have a separate door right here to access your toilet and your shower tub. And then this is your other bedroom. Nice, has a walk-in closet. All right. But yeah, that is it for this house. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.